R33. Konti pa yung tao. Mamaya pa nga.
Hindi pa ata open. 10:30 pa open. Kaya konti pa lang.
Dito na kami sa Disneyland.
So we were just we are now inside the Disneyland. Hong Kong Disneyland. We are now in Hong Kong Disneyland.
All of that.
Asa na sila? Nag-share sila? May wait lang, wala sila.